I will show you how to add money to Google Play Balance. Now, under Google Play Store, you need to click on the profile icon to see at the top right of your screen. Now, once you click on that, you'll see this option here. Now here, you need to look for Payments and Subscription and just click on it. And from here, you want to go to Payment Methods. Now in this next, you'll be able to see your Google Play balance. Now in here, the first thing that you want to make sure that you have added is you have to add a payment method first. So just click on the Add Credit or Debit Card option and just add your card first for you to be able to cash in into your Google Payments. Now, once you've added your payment method or your card, you just need to click on the Buy Google Play Credit, and from there you'll be able to choose from the amount that you want to cash in. So we have 10 credit, 15, 25, and 50 credit on the following options. Now from there, just click on Continue, and you'll be able to confirm that if you really want to buy that specific credit, and once you've done that, you will be able to receive that credit. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button.